For the past 2 years, we have dedicated our time, effort, and money to developing Seal. We traveled overseas searching for the perfect fabric. It needed to be waterproof, breathable, durable, washable, and affordable, but most importantly, it needed to look good. So we teamed up with a shoe manufacturer that has been in the industry for over 20 years. We hit a home run with them. They went the extra mile and even helped us customize our own pattern and design. We set out to create an innovative, fashionable, yet practical product for both women and children that would keep our precious shoes clean and dry.
We've also tested Seal prototypes in all weather conditions to be 100% sure that it met our high expectations.
With 4 little active boys and crazy Miami weather, where one day it rains and the next day it doesn't, I love the Seal shoe covers. All I have to do is put them in the car. I don't have to schlep around the heavy rain boots for myself or even for my kids. And when it rains, I take them out. Super practical and easy. I love them.
Now, all they have to do is slip their Seal boots over their school shoes, and I don't have to carry any extra stuff around.
A nylon waterproof zipper up the back allows the cover to slip on easily, and an elastic band around the top is used to secure a tight fit around the user's calf. These soles are strong, durable, and flexible, so they will last when walking on hard surfaces. Seal's insole is completely flat to accommodate various styles. It has a firm yet comfortable heel that won't be damaged by your high heels. Ladies, this is your dream come true.
Enjoying the great outdoors means you're going to get sweaty and dirty, but when it comes to getting clean, nothing seems to do the trick. Baby wipes can't cut through the grime, and if we were to go the conventional route, we would have to lug around gallons of water for an outdoor cold shower. But lugging 40 pounds of water just for that seems ridiculous. So, we here at Geyser invented a better way to get clean, using less than a gallon of water. That's right, less than 1 gallon. That's 80% less water and weighs a mere 6 pounds, which is equivalent to a 6-pack of your favorite beverage. Skeptical? We thought so. So we ran it through the ultimate test. Let's start with 5 gallons of mud. Mother Nature isn't the only one who sticks around. Let's also add 5 gallons of icky sunscreen. Why stop there? If you love camping at music festivals, then count on a splash of color. Then say hello to the Geyser System. It's not a shower, it's better. It's the world's most portable and efficient system to wash yourself and your gear. Step 1, just add your gallon of water. Step 2, plug it into your car's DC outlet or a portable battery. Step 3, turn on the pump. Then open the valve, enjoy, and get your clean on. 1 gallon lasts up to 7 minutes for a refreshing body wash. The result? No more squirming in your car, tent, or sleeping bag while wearing the grime from your last adventure. It's designed with a user-friendly heating system. We bring the heat in as little as 15 to 35 minutes, but if you're really in a rush, scroll down below to learn how to get that down to 5 minutes. Scrub too hard? Don't worry, we thought of that too. Replacing a Geyser scrub is as easy as texting a friend. Text the number on the tag, choose from a variety of colors, and it's on its way. Not only does our patented technology provide a safe, easy, and refreshing shower, it also optimizes the use of our limited, precious water resources.
Being in the outdoors is awesome. Being comfortable in the outdoors is revolutionary. It's called a Treble Hammock. With ergonomic support, it's the perfect recliner, or bed, or chair, forever changing the way we spend time in the outdoors. I can't tell you how many times I found myself in that perfect setting, and I would just want to relax and enjoy being there. But after 10 or 15 minutes, I would get uncomfortable and antsy and find myself moving on, only to later regret not having spent more time in that amazing place. What truly makes the idea revolutionary and the treble hammock so perfectly comfortable and versatile is that underneath it is an extra wide ergonomic adjustable support system. This system creates slack in the fabric and ergonomic support that holds you in place and takes all the pressure off your lower back, knees, and ankles. The system also makes it possible to anchor the treble on an angle, which creates the ideal recliner with the ideal viewpoint, as it directs your eyes towards your surroundings instead of just to the sky. The support system also enables the user to divide the treble into 2 bunks, so 2 people can share it without squishing into each other. Everything about the treble is designed to be simple and multifunctional. Depending on how you anchor it, it is perfect for lying down to sleep through the night and sitting up or reclining throughout the day. At first I was concerned that finding 3 trees would be difficult, but I soon realized that there are anchor points all over the place, and they do not need to all be trees, or even in a perfect triangle. The treble can even be anchored low to the ground. The only requirement is that all anchor points are strong enough to support your weight. I wanted the treble to be strong and spacious. As for myself, being 280 pounds and claustrophobic, I wanted plenty of room, and I didn't want to worry about whether or not it would break. So I built it with strength and safety in mind, able to easily support up to 560 pounds. The prototype is 10 by 10 by 10 feet and weighs under 6 pounds, making it perfect for hiking into base camp or bringing it on every other adventure with an ATV, motorcycle, kayak, RV, or even just setting it up in the park or in your backyard.